this is me, Ellie. Samahan niyo kung silipin yung kaganapan ng SM Little Star. Oops, uunahan ko na kayo. Matalo manalo, okay lang. Oops, wake up muna. Ito po yung time na sumali po ako. Nagulat nga po ako kasi po ako po nanalo sa dancing category. Fast forward, andito na po ako sa regional finals po. O, diba? Saya ng babae. Sa totoo lang po, gusto ko pong manalo. Gusto ko pong makabili ng lupa na church namin. Pero pag hindi naman po ibibigay ni Lord, okay naman din po sa akin. Gusto ko lang naman po ipakita yung talent ko. Ito po kasi yung passion ko. Hi! My name is Alicia Quiranda Santos Acantilado. I am 5 years old, representing SM City Cabanatuan! Grabe po sa support ang church family ko po. Thank you po Nanay Frida sa Bubblehead.
Hey, Barbie.
Hi, Ken!
Wanna go for a ride?
But what are you riding in?
Don't worry about it. Hop in.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair and take me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair and take me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. I'm a blonde fancy girl in a fantasy world. Dress me up, make it tight, I'm the darling.
You're my dog, rock and roll, feel the glamour and pain. Take you here, let's go there. You're my baby.
You can love me all day. If you say I'm always yours. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life is plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair and take me everywhere. Imagination, life is your We can walk, we can talk, do whatever we please. Hollywood to the stars, be the one of my dreams.
Come jump in with your friends, let's go do it again. Hit the town, if you're down, let's go party.
You can love me all day. If you stay, I'm always yours.
Thank you so much. Wow! Magaling mong sumayaw. Good afternoon.
Hello po.
Ang cute naman ng hairstyle mo. Kamukha mo si Chun-Li. Kilala mo ba si Chun-Li?
Thank you po. Kayo po din.
You're so pretty. And I love the color of your outfit. Is pink your favorite color?
Opo.
Oh, favorite ko pink. Ako kasi I like purple also. And combination ng pink and purple. Alicia, I want to ask you, nagpe-pray ka ba every night?
Opo.
Anong pinagpe-pray mo kay Jesus every night, Alicia?
Sana po ako po manalo.
Ah! Ang dami mong fans sa likod, no? Pag nanalo ka, Alicia, yung talagang grand winner, trip for 2 lang kasi to Hong Kong. Pero yung ipipick mo na kasama sa prize mo, sino? Mommy or daddy?
Si Mami po.
Bakit si mommy?
Kasi po, gusto ko pong masaya lang po siya.
Ah, parang Mother's Day, mommy, no? Thank you, Alicia. I'm sure your parents are very proud of you.
Okay po. So, ayan na nga. Hindi po ako nakapasok sa Grand Finals. Pero, okay lang po. Ang turo po sa akin ng mami at daddy, maging grateful palagi. At ang pagkatalo, hindi naman lagi. Basta palagi mag-pray. Po, huwag kakalimutan, always smile. Stop bullying, be kind. Thank you po sa family ko.